As a faith-based voice actor, you have a unique calling. You want to use your voice to inspire, educate, and bring hope to others. But in today's world, it can be tough to stand up for your principles and build a successful career. That's where the Voices of Faith workshop comes in. Joe Lesh offers this course and his personal coaching to help you build a voiceover career that aligns with your values. This is where you'll develop your skills, build your confidence, and hone your voiceover technique. In this special workshop, you'll learn to speak with confidence, deliver powerful messages, and connect with your audience. Whether you're an author, speaker, singer, worship leader, influencer, or a working voice actor, this program is designed to help you reach your full potential. So, if you're ready to build your faith-based voiceover career and stand up for your principles, sign up for Voices of Faith today.